How to change Zelle phone number and email. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you can install your Zelle application in your mobile device. Once you have installed your Zelle application, make sure you are logged in or signed in into your Zelle app. To change your Zelle phone number and email, it is very simple. Firstly, all you have to do is you have to navigate to your Zelle setting. You can find the option by tapping on the user icon. Then once you are in the setting of your Zelle, on the feature settings, you need to navigate to Zelle setting. In here, we would be able to update for our mobile number as well as email. As you can see in the Zelle setting, we'll be able to add new email and mobile number. For it, firstly you need to click on the unlink button for the existing email or mobile number. Once you do so, type in your new email and mobile number and press on Save. By this way, you'll be able to change your cell phone number and email. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.